everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about DSR Altitudes, a premium high-rise residential project by DSR Builders located in Osman Nagar, Telapur, Hyderabad. If you're looking for a spacious 3 BHK home with luxury amenities, modern architecture and excellent connectivity to Hyderabad's major IT hubs, then this project is definitely worth exploring. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. DSR Altitudes is a premium gated community spread across approximately 7 acres and features 5 impressive high-rise towers with 3 basement, ground floor, and 32 residential floors. The project offers a total of 980 thoughtfully designed 3 BHK apartments, each planned to maximize space, natural light, and ventilation. One of the biggest highlight here is the 75% open space, which creates a refreshing living environment despite being a high-rise community. Residents will have access to a massive 60,000 square feet clubhouse, making it an ideal place for recreation, fitness, and community living. Talking about the location, so DSR Altitudes enjoys a strategic address in Osman Nagar, Telapur, one of the fastest growing residential destinations in West Hyderabad. ORR exit number 2 is just 5 minutes away, while Telapur is also around 5 minutes from the project. Kollur can be reached in about 10 minutes, and both the Financial District and Indian School of Business are just 15 minutes away. High-Tech City is approximately 25 minutes away, and the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport can be reached in around 35 to 40 minutes. With such excellent connectivity, daily commuting becomes extremely convenient, especially for professionals working in Hyderabad's IT corridor. And when it comes to lifestyle, DSR Altitudes has been designed to offer everything you need within the community itself. Residents can enjoy 60,000 square feet luxury clubhouse along with a swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games area, multi-purpose hall, preview theater, spa. With its fitness, relaxation, or spending quality time with your family, there is something here for everyone. And now coming to the configuration, so this project offers spacious 3 BHK luxury apartment with a size of approximately 2,277 square feet, and the starting price is around 1.73 crore rupees onwards. So why should you consider DSR Altitudes? Apart from its premium high-rise design and spacious home, the project offers 75% open space, a grand clubhouse, excellent connectivity to the Financial District, Gachibowli, High-Tech City, and other major IT hubs, along with a strong appreciation potential in the rapidly developing Telapur Osman Nagar corridor. It combines luxury, convenience, and future growth in one destination. And overall, if you are planning to buy a premium home in Hyderabad that offers spacious living, world-class amenities, and seamless connectivity, then DSR Altitudes is definitely a project worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.